beautiful, slightly L-shaped living and dining area. You can have a look at the cozy kitchen area with the platforms done, and this is your spacious room of the house. What if your next investment feels less like a city project and more like forest retreat in Bangalore? This is all about Godrej Vanantara. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal, and today we'll be doing the sample flight tour of Godrej Vanantara, developed by Godrej Properties, located right here in Bannerghatta, South Bangalore. So right now we are here on the actual land parcel of the project, and let me show you the surrounding. So I'm standing on the main entrance. This is the main entrance of our Godrej Vanantara. Once you enter, the land parcel starts from yours and goes up to 36 massive acre. The marketing office of our project is inside our land parcel itself. Now before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. And our project is spread across 36 acres of massive land consisting of 14 high-rise towers, with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 30 floors, offering you 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium homes. Coming to the amenities part, and this project offers you 100 plus curated amenities, like you get a grand clubhouse with all the indoor amenities, cricket ground, swimming pool with deck, sports arena, open garden space, pond that relaxes your mind, and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located off Bannerghatta Road in Bannerghatta, South Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and I'm standing on the main entrance of our project. So the main entrance will be coming up over here, and exactly in front of it is the Dinepalya main road. So this Dinepalya road will connect you towards Bannerghatta Road, and the opposite side road will take you towards CK Palya. Now about the further connectivity part, so you can connect to Greenwood High School is just 100 meters away from our project, DMart Bannerghatta is 2.8 kilometers away, and Jivalia Institute of Philosophy, that is 4.2 kilometers from our project. So this is your 2 BHK model flat of 1288 square feet super built-up area, and the main entrance is just behind me over here. Before entering, let's focus upon the video door phone that comes up for your security purpose. And this is your main entrance of the house, which will lead you towards your foyer area that maintains your privacy. Comes up with vitrified flooring. And now here is your spacious and beautiful, slightly L-shaped living and dining area. Focusing upon the living area, which comes up with ample of space over here. You can add up your sofa set, your teapot, your TV unit space, and even you can add up a bookshelf over the side. This area is connected towards your balcony, and this is your perfect balcony, which comes up with anti-skid flooring, 2-side open view with iron railing, and you can add up your own decor things. So once you step inside your living area again, you can add up your dining table right over here. Even you can add up your cutlery space or whatever you like. So this dining area is exactly in front of your kitchen area, and the layout says that you can add up your L-shaped platform over here, and you can have a look at the cozy kitchen area with the platforms done, with modular kitchen, the cabinets all done for your reference. You can add up a sink area right this side, and your utility space is attached. Comes up with anti-skid flooring, your sink area again, provision for your machine, and with half wall structure, perfect for your ventilation and lighting. And now about the bedroom space. So your bedroom number 1 is over here. So specifically this can be your kids' bedroom, and once you enter, you can have a look at the ample of space that this bedroom offers you. With a window just behind me, the bed space in the center of the house. You can even add up your wardrobe over this side, the huge wardrobe. The study table and TV unit space can be added just this side. So this was all about this bedroom, and once you step outside this bedroom, your common washroom with the easy access is just outside. Comes up with anti-skid flooring, CP sanitary fitting, and the shower area, which is divided by a tile rope. Now your master bedroom is just opposite over here. But before entering towards your master bedroom, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So specifically Housey is here with the actual location tour with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, with payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features are in the Housey.com, so what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. And now about the master bedroom. So you can have a look. Your bed space is not directly visible from your common area. That maintains your perfect privacy. And this is your spacious room of the house where you can fit in your bed in the center of the room, which comes up with a perfect window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and you can admire the nature from here. You can add up your wardrobe just over here. Your TV unit space is exactly in front of your bed, and even you can add up your work table or else the dresser. This bedroom also comes up with master washroom right over the side. Comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. The sink area is offered inside itself and the shower area is divided via tile drop. So now, as you all know, we are here in Bannerghatta location. Have you checked another project in Bannerghatta? If yes, then drop down in the comment section below. If you're looking for more details of the project, you can click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.